Oh, we're live. We're live, we're live, we're live. Oh, very good. Well, I guess what kind of news have we got here this evening? Well, I've been tweaking my Slackware Linux system. Uh, it's now got, of course, it has a mini conda installed on it. Uh, I also took a look at what data to do next. I came across kind of an interesting data set on Kaggle. It's titled something like Car Sales Dirty Data for Data Cleaning. That could be an interesting little diversion there. That we could also begin. Well, let me back up 1 second here. First of all, hope you noticed you're not seeing my smiling face anymore. You hear my voice, but you see my avatar in the top left-hand corner of your screen, right? That was actually created from a picture I have of myself by ChatGPT. The reason I'm doing this is because I was having trouble with the sound and the image syncing up. There was lag, okay? So by simply going to sound, I have a nice smooth stream with real-time sound. You get to see me working, okay? Anyway, so I came across this data set on Kaggle called, I think it's called like Car Sales Data Cleaning Data Set. I haven't actually looked at it. I started a Jupyter notebook on my laptop, which is another topic. I'll get to that in a moment. But anyway, as you can see, this is project 10. This is the final project of our furniture store data set. So I'm trying to decide what to start on next week, and it could be online sales, which has some interesting properties or lack of. Or we may take a look at actually doing a data cleaning exercise using that car sales data set. Okay. So anyway, as you can see, the project 10 is titled Advanced Sales Growth and Analytics. Dive deeper into sales and growth metrics and realize factors influence growth. So we come over here, do this, do this. Let's just take a quick if I could type correctly. So we will of course be using our, okay, so there you go. Let's see, what else can we do? Let's take a look at the type. The types. Main thing we want to look at is the order date, ship date is date time function, okay, which is what we're looking for here. Let's take a look at the, let's just do some little funky. Let's just take a look at, let's see, what do we want to see here? Quantity, discount, profit. Quantity. Let's just do a quick, just to refresh our memories. Let's just do a, let's just take a look at a little bit of data here. Let's just do a quick describe on our key numeric data field, data column, okay, and profit. So let's see if this works. So that works good. Now let's just do a quick describe so we can get a feel for our data. Okay, so what do we got? Quantity, we got a range of 1 to 14 with the mean quantity shipped 3.7. We go from a 25% quantile 2 to 5, so it's very narrow. Total sales range from $394 up to $4,416. The quantile is 47 to 435, so that's a fairly range. Now what's interesting, of course, you can see that the minimum for profit is negative a negative 1,862. Okay, good. So we can get rid of this now. let's just upload, let's go to ChatGPT, go over here, Canvas, let's see, let's upload some data, computer, let's come back over here, furniture sales, furniture pie. Do I have a furniture, there we go, there we go. Okay, so you can see it's switched over here. Very nice. Okay. And we are using Jupyter Notebook, of course. Well, that's not very helpful. Okay. All right. Including okay, that's interesting, isn't it? It's actually hiding the question. Interesting. So we got that, so that should work. Oh, here we go. Very good. Off to a nice start. Year-over-year growth. Quarter-over-quarter growth. And we can drop this stuff here. We can drop the actual printing out of the data. Make sure we have echo false. Okay, good. So here we are. Those look good. Oh, this is interesting. what we're going to do is come over here, okay, and we're going to add another code block right below it, okay. And what we're doing is we're keeping the existing data, okay, we're keeping the one that's already working. Oh, much better, okay. So since this one looks better, we're going to drop this one up here, okay. And we're going to come back up here. And we're going to add another thing down here. Oh, much better. Okay, very good, very good. I guess that's good. Let's just go with that. So we come back up here now. Get rid of this. Good. Okay. Okay. Identify key drivers in sales growth. Okay, so that looks good. What we're going to do is, we're going to leave the rest of this up here since it's already there. Then we'll come down here. Okay, so we can get rid of this, right? Good. We're off to a good start. Now let's come over here, analyze customer segments that's contributed to sales growth. Of course, don't be bashful there. Just stop by the chat session and say hi, okay? Because I know some of you are out there. Let me see here. What? Not one stream? Not one person at all? Customer segment. So it's saying customer segment doesn't exist. Let's take a look at the Excel file. Oh, you know what the trouble is? Here's market segment. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, so what's happened is it it had a brain fart. Okay, it had a brain fart. There is no country. Oh no. There we go. Okay, there. Now let's come back. How do I expand this? Oh, that was kind of strange. Let's do this. Let's make this zoom. No wonder. Can you see that okay now? So we got the market growth segments. Now we want the Okay. Shall we push on here and try to finish this up here? Yeah, why not? We can start fresh again on. Let's just keep pushing on, shall we? Then I'll be able to contemplate the next 3 or 4 days to a week, decide exactly what it is I want. So I think we already have this. So let's just add this back up here to our calculations. Right up here. Do this. Okay. Then let's come down here. Let's see what we got here. We're perilously close. Look at this. Develop a predictive model. You realize, friends, we're within one question of finishing this whole, wrapping this whole plot. We're within minutes of finishing this whole 10 project Python project. As a reminder, we started with, well, I think probably SQL and Azure Data Studio. Then we went to what? R programming, now Python programming. I don't think we ever did anything as far as like Power BI did, we were Excel. Forget that I said that, okay? Forget that I said that. Let's come back up here. Let's see. We have pandas, we have map. We got those. We got those. Model selection. We have linear model regression. And then we got NumPy. Well, my friends, it's been a long journey through this Python, hasn't it? It's been a long journey. Subcategory growth. Let's see if this will work. It did. Very good. Very good. I'm going to add, we'll keep this. Thank you for adding the plot, by the way. If this works, my friends, the only thing left to do is to render it into a final document. Okay, back over here, future sales model. Let's just come back, let's just put this all down as one thing here, shall we? And here's our forecast, forecasted sales. And that, my dear friends, is a wrap. Congratulations, we just finished a grueling 10 session, a grueling 10 session, 10 project Python analysis for furniture sales, okay? Like I said, stay tuned for what's coming next because I'm not quite sure yet. We could, of course, done something maybe with, I don't know. This isn't a great model, but it does. There is a forecast over here. Okay. And the good news is that we're the sales forecast. We are forecasting an increase in the sales. Okay. And so, my friends, with that, I'm going to say good night. There's only 5 questions in 34 seconds. Stay tuned. Click that bell icon because there will be news coming forward of when I decide on the next project it's going to be. It could be data cleaning or it could be online sales. Okay? Thank you so much for your time, folks. We'll catch you maybe in a week. Okay?